guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool animation on CapCut PC. So the first one I'll be showing you is the heart shape one. So go and select this white stock video, go to mask and select the heart shape. Then you're just going to scroll down and you can pick any color that you want. I'm just going to pick this pink one. Adjust it and go and select the heart shape one as well. Right click, create compound clip, and select the split one. If you want, you can feather it out. I'm just going to not do that. Sorry. Add a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end, you're just going to slide the line up. And that is the first heart tutorial. If it's too long, just select the keyframe and put it closer to each other. Like so. And for the second one, okay, here I'll make it a little bit faster like that. For the second one, I'm just going to select the first video, go to a rectangle, kind of create like a battery shape. It's more like elongated like that. And you can also add in round corners to it. I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to make like a small part for the edge here, like that, I guess. And you're just going to want to copy and paste it and select like a green color. I'm just going to use like this one, maybe. Oh wait, maybe not. Actually, I can use this clip. I might just have to like move the mask a little bit more down here, and I'm just going to move it up, and I'm going to actually scale it down. Actually, I'm also going to use the mask to move it around. Whoops. So it looks something like that. Then again, go to the video, right click, create compound clip. And then you're going to select mask, and you're going to select split again. You can split it either this way or this way. I think it's this way. Add in a keyframe here, and then again at the end or like in the middle, slide it to the right instead of up. And that's like the battery filling up, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!